यहाँ पे एक्टिविटी है टू शो what happens to acid and base when they are dissolved in water. तो एक्टिविटी क्या है? दिस इज अ टेस्ट ट्यूब. In the test tube, sodium chloride is taken. In a clean dry test tube, sodium chloride is taken. Then few drops of sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid is added to it. Now there is a gas which comes out when H2SO4 is added to sodium chloride. Now the sodium chloride is in solid state. And the gas is tested with a dry litmus paper and then with a wet litmus paper. With dry litmus paper, when the litmus paper is dry, there is no change in the color of the litmus paper. It remains blue. But when wet litmus paper is used, the color changes from blue to red. Now, in order to assure that the gas evolved is dry, a drying tube can be used which contains calcium chloride as the drying agent. If the atmosphere is humid, if the water content in the atmosphere is high, in that case, calcium chloride is used as a drying agent. It is taken in a drying tube. It is taken as a drying agent. So when HCl passes through this drying tube, it absorbs the calcium chloride absorbs the moisture from the HCl gas and you get a dry HCl gas. Now the dry HCl gas will cause no change in the color of the blue litmus paper, whereas moist HCl, dry HCl gas, no change in the color of litmus paper. HCl solution or moist HCl will cause the color of the litmus paper to change from blue to red. What is the reason? HCl will not give H plus ion in the absence of water. Only when water is present, it abstracts H plus ion from HCl and it changes into H3O plus ion and it gives chloride ion. So whenever you are writing H plus ion, either write it as H plus aqueous or represent it by H3O plus. So hydrogen ions cannot exist alone. They exist after combining with water molecules. So they must always be shown as H plus aqueous or hydronium ion. So acids gives hydronium ion or H plus ions in water. And what about the base? If you see the equation, you can see that base gives OH minus ion. With a base, you will obtain OH minus ion, which will be surrounded by water molecules. So it is represented as OH minus aqueous. Similarly, KOH solid with water, it will give K plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous. Magnesium hydroxide solid with water will give magnesium aqueous and OH minus aqueous. So bases generate OH minus ions in water. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. So bases, they generate OH minus ion in aqueous, and bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. All bases do not dissolve in water. An alkali is a base that dissolves in water. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. All the alkalis are bases, but all the bases are not alkalis. So they are soapy to touch, bitter and corrosive. Never taste or touch them as they may cause harm. Acids generate H plus ion, bases generate OH minus ion. So neutralization reaction can be viewed as, that is, acid and base reacting to form salt and water. This can be viewed as combination of H plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous to form water. Consider HCl and NaOH, strong acid and strong base. So NaCl is formed, which is a salt, and H plus combines with OH minus to give water. Salt and water are formed as a result of reaction of acid with a base.